In this tutorial, the objective is simple. We're using frame mask with custom shapes to create controlled, repeatable image containers for modern layouts. Begin by creating a new document based on your final output. Clear dimensions help you design with intent, not correction. Select the Custom Shape tool and choose or load the shape you need. Shapes define visual language, so choose forms that support the design purpose. Once the shape is placed, convert it into a frame by selecting Layer, Convert to Frame. This step turns a decorative element into a functional container. Now drag an image into the frame. Photoshop automatically clips it inside the custom shape while keeping the image fully editable. Double-click inside the frame to adjust position.